In the last video we will see that how we can create a YouTube library, right? For that you have to go into the video. In that section, right, what is the meaning of this YouTube library? First I will tell you that let's say you have batches of 2023-2024. You have all the lectures which you have recorded and uploaded into YouTube. So there is a category, right, which are named as a, let's suppose I will tell you 23-24 chemistry lecture. What? Chemistry lecture, right? For which standard? I suppose to 11 chemistry standard, right? And add. When I click on the add, you will see that there is a one chemistry lecture. Here is a category will be created. In that category, what we have the subject chapter wise we have video, right? 23-24 chemistry lecture. We click on the video list, click on the add button, right? Suppose we have anything like chapter 1 solutions, let's say video number 1, right? We have to put the YouTube video link. I will just anything, I will just click on the right with YouTube video. We put the link of the YouTube video. I just click the YouTube video link over here, right? If I have PDF written note, right? Whatever we have written into the particular lecture, we have also PDF of that one. You can use it. Right? So I will just take any of that one. So we take some chapter 1. Which class I just want to see that video. I select that class. Which device I want to see that. Like they have also view from the web or app or both. I will select as per my requirement. If you want to see that I don't want to share this video to the student in a desktop version, they only see in the mobile application, so that no screen recording, no other screenshot will be captured by the student. So there you just click on the app button, and when you click on the add, there data will be added into that examination, right? So this type you can create a library of the your recording lectures of YouTube, right? If it is mostly not used by the our customer. Our main purpose for that one is just online exam and PDF conduction and practice of the student. This is three main features which are used by various users. So I hope you will understand this video and this product features. So we'll go for the next video. Thank you very much.